everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my banana pancakes. These pancakes are light and fluffy and it's packed with bananas, and this is a perfect breakfast recipe. I also like to make this as a evening snack, and it's so simple to make. Let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 ripe bananas, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's start by mashing the bananas. So in a mixing bowl, add in the ripe bananas, and by using a fork, mash the bananas really well. Once the bananas are mashed, add in the sugar, baking powder, and salt, 1 egg, and oil. Stir all this in with the mashed bananas. And finally, add in the flour and the milk. And mix this really well till the flour and the milk is incorporated in with the banana and egg mixture. Now let's head over to the stove and make the pancakes. In a pan on medium heat, add in the butter. Pour in the pancake batter using a ladle. Cook on each side for about 1 to 2 minutes till it's golden brown. And repeat the same for the rest of the batter. You will get about 6 to 8 pancakes with this batter. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!